Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger always connecting problem. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your Facebook Messenger application always says no internet connection, or most of the times you can see connecting message popping up right on your display at the top, then this is known as the Messenger always connecting error. If this situation arises, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to check if you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Simply turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once you are connected to a stable internet connection, go back to see if you are still having problem. If that worked for you, then your problem was network related. If it does not work for you, then the next thing to do is to check for available updates for Facebook Messenger. If your application is not updated to the latest version, you might be going through this issue. So make sure to update to the latest version of Facebook Messenger by going to your Play Store or your App Store, and in the search bar, search for Messenger. Once you perform your search, if you see an update button right next to Messenger, it means you have not updated to the latest version of Facebook Messenger. Simply tap update and make sure that you've downloaded the latest version of Messenger on your mobile device. The latest updates comes up with bug fixes and performance improvement, so you might be able to solve your issue when your Messenger is always connecting. Once your Messenger is up to date, tap on the open button to launch the app open. Now, once you're logged into your Messenger app, check to see if your problem has been fixed. If it still does not work, then simply force close your Messenger application from the background and go to your settings on a mobile device. From the settings menu, scroll down until you see apps and tap it on. From the app list, search for Messenger, tap it on, and from the app info page, tap storage. Tap on clear cache at the bottom right, and now go back to your Messenger application and launch it open. Once you clear out your cache data for your Facebook Messenger, you might be able to solve your always connecting issue on your Facebook Messenger. These were some of the fixes that you could try whenever you are having a problem with your Facebook app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.